Hello my dear students, this is our third lecture of matrices, chapter 3rd for 12th class. In this class we will solve some questions. After that you are able to solve questions from NCERT book. Okay, let us start. The question number 1 is, if a matrix has 32 elements, then what are the possible orders it can have? Okay, as we know that if a matrix is of order m into n, it has mn elements, right? Thus, to find all possible orders of a matrix having 32 elements, we have to find all the ordered pairs of natural numbers whose product is 32. मीन्स जैसा कि हमें पता है, अगर किसी मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर m इंटू n है तो उसमें mn एलिमेंट्स होंगे. इसलिए वह मैट्रिक्स जिसमें कि 32 एलिमेंट है, उसके पॉसिबल ऑर्डर्स निकालने के लिए हमें 32 के सभी नेचुरल नंबर्स के ऑर्डर्ड पेयर मीन्स उसके मल्टीपल्स ढूंढने पड़ेंगे. तो देखते हैं कौन कौन से उसके ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स बन सकते हैं. द ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स आर 1 and 32, 2 and 16, 4 and 8, 8 and 4, 16 and 2, and 32 and 1. These are the possible order pairs. Then therefore the possible orders of a matrix having 32 elements are 1 is to 32, 2 is to 16, 4 is to 8, 8 is to 4, 16 is to 2, and 32 is to 1. These are the possible orders for a matrix having 32 elements. Okay, let us take another example similar to this question. If any matrix have 19 elements, then possible orders. What will be possible orders? ओके, तो अगर कोई ऐसी मैट्रिक्स में कि 19 एलिमेंट्स हैं, तो उस मैट्रिक्स के पॉसिबल ऑर्डर्स क्या क्या हो सकते हैं. जैसे कि हम यहाँ देख सकते हैं 19 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, देयरफॉर इट हैज ओनली 2 ऑर्डर्ड पेयर, 1 into 19 and 19 into 1. तो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर हो जाएंगे 1 into 19 and 19 into 1. These are the two possible orders, right? तो दो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर बनेंगे 119 एंड 19 देयरफॉर इसके जो पॉसिबल ऑर्डर्स हैं वो होगा 1:19 एंड 19:1, राइट. Because 19 is a prime number, therefore it has only two factors, 1 and 19 itself. So possible orders for a matrix having 19 element is 1 into 19 and 19 into 1. Okay, now our next question, second question is construct a 2:3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 3i minus j divided by 2. Solution. In this question, we have to form a matrix of order 2:3 whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 3i minus j divided by 2. Okay, generally a 2:3 matrix is written as, how we can write it? Matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Okay, here Aij is equal to 3i minus j divided by 2. Because we have to construct a matrix of 2:3, therefore I must have values of 1 and 2 only, because in this matrix there are only 2 rows and I represent the number of rows, and j have the numbers 1, 2 and 3, because j represents the number of columns and there are 1, 2, 3 columns in the required matrix. Let us find all the elements of this matrix. A11 will be 3 into 1 minus 1 divided by 2. It will be 2 by 2 is equal to 1. A12 is equal to 3 into 1 yes, minus 2 divided by 2. It will be 1 by 2. Similarly, A13 will be equal to 3 into 1 minus 3 divided by 2. It will be 0 by 3, that is 0 by 2, that is 0. Similarly, we can find the elements of second row. A21 is equal to 3 into 2 minus 1 divided by 2. It will be equal to 6 minus 1 divided by 2, that is 5 by 2. A22 will be equal to 3 into 2 minus 2 divided by 2. 6 minus 2 divided by 2, it will be 4 by 2, and alternatively finally it will be 2. Our last element is A23. It is equal to 3 into 2 minus 3 divided by 2, means 6 minus 3 divided by 2, it will be 3 by 2. 3 by 2, right? Hence, the required matrix is is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 0, 5 by 2, 2, and last one is 3 by 2. Right? Let us move at question number 3rd. Question 3rd. Find the values of x, y and z from the equation. Given equation is 2x minus y, x plus y, y plus z 4. This matrix is equal to 3 3 4 4. In this question we have to find the values of x, y, z in accordance to the given condition. Okay, let us solve this. Here 2x minus y, x plus y, y plus z 4 is equal to 3 3 4 4. Okay, as we know that by equality of matrices, if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal or same. Therefore this 2x minus y is equal to 3, x plus y is equal to 3, and this y plus z is equal to 4. Okay, now by equality of matrices, we have 2x minus y is equal to 3. This is our first equation. X plus y is equal to x plus y is equal to 3. This is our second equation. And last one is y plus z is equal to 4. This is our third equation. Now by solving this three equation, we can find the value of x, y and z. Okay, let us solve one by one. By solving equation first and second, we have what we have 2x minus y is equal to 3, x plus y is equal to 3. By adding these three equations, we get 3x. This minus y plus y cancel out. 3x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 2. Okay, now 3x equal to 6, x is equal to 2. Now by putting the value of x in equation second, we get 2 plus y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. This is our x, this is our y. We have find x and y. Now we have to find the value of z also. By putting the value of y in equation third, we get 1 plus z is equal to 4. Then z is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 3. This is our x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 3 is our answer, right? Okay. Let us take a quick review of this question. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दो मैट्रिक्स गिवन है जो कि इक्वल मैट्रिक्स है 2x माइनस वाई, एक्स प्लस वाई, वाई प्लस जेड, 4 इज इक्वल टू 3 3 4 4. तो ये दोनों मैट्रिक्स आपस में इक्वल हैं. हमें यहाँ पे इन दोनों मैट्रिक्स इक्वलिटी ऑफ मैट्रिक्स का इस्तेमाल करते हुए एक्स वाई जेड की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी थी. तो हमने यहाँ पे देखा इक्वलिटी ऑफ मैट्रिक्स से कि फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इस फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के बराबर होगा, डेट इज 2x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 3. ये सेकंड एलिमेंट इस सेकंड एलिमेंट के बराबर होगा, तो x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 3 एंड y प्लस जेड इज इक्वल टू 4. इन तीनों इक्वेशन से हम आपस में सोल्व करेंगे. जैसे हम फर्स्ट और सेकंड इक्वेशन का ऐड करते हैं तो हमें मिल जाएगा फर्स्ट और सेकंड इक्वेशन को ऐड करने के बाद 2x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 3, एक्स प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 3. बाय एडिंग दिस माइनस वाई प्लस वाई कैंसिल हो जाएंगे और 2x प्लस एक्स 3x, 3 प्लस 3 6. देन वी गेट x इक्वल टू 6/3, डेट इज x इक्वल टू 2. ओके, ना x की वैल्यू 2 अगर हम इक्वेशन सेकंड में पुट करते हैं तो हम y की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. जैसे कि ये यहाँ पे इक्वेशन सेकंड है x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 3, तो हम लिख सकते हैं 2 मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ x की वैल्यू 2 प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 3, देन y भी इक्वल टू 3 माइनस 2, डेट इज y इज इक्वल टू 1. तो इस प्रकार से हम y की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. और z की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे कि जो y की वैल्यू निकली है 1 उसको हम इक्वेशन नंबर थर्ड में पुट करेंगे. तो 1 प्लस जेड इज इक्वल टू 4, देन z विल बी इक्वल टू 4 माइनस 1, तो z की वैल्यू आएगी 3. तो x हमारे पास 2 है, y 1 है, z 3 है. ये हमारा है आंसर, क्योंकि हमें इस क्वेश्चन में x, y, z की वैल्यू निकालनी थी. ओके, लेट अस टेक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. if A is equal to 3 2 4 5 and B is equal to 6 4 7 8, then we have to find first AB and second we have to find PA. Okay, let us solve this question. First part is AB. We have to find AB. The matrix A is 3 2 4 5 and matrix B is 6 4 7 8. Okay, we have to multiply these two matrices. First of all, we have to multiply this 3 with 6. 3 into 6 plus, then 2 with 7. 2 into 7. Now 3 with 4. 3 into 4 plus 2 into 8. 2 into 8. 4 into 6 plus 5 into 7. 4 into 4 plus 5 into 8. By multiplying and adding, we get 18 plus 14, 12 plus 16, 24 plus 35, 16 plus 40. That is AB is equal to 32, 28, 59, 56. ओके, ए बी निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, मैट्रिक्स ए को मैट्रिक्स बी से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. हम ये कैसे करते हैं, हमें पता है कि फर्स्ट एलिमेंट को फर्स्ट एलिमेंट से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 इंटू 6, 3 6 18 प्लस सेकेंड एलिमेंट को फर्स्ट कॉलम के सेकेंड एलिमेंट से 2 इंटू 7 मीन्स 14, तो 18 प्लस 14 32. इसी प्रकार से 12 प्लस 16 28, 24 प्लस 25 59 एंड 16 प्लस 40 56. तो यहाँ पे हमने ए को बी से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो हमें ए बी मिल गया. नेक्स्ट सेकंड पार्ट में हमें क्या करना है, हमें निकालना है बी ए. मीन्स हमें मैट्रिक्स ए को मैट्रिक्स बी से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो वी हैव टू टेक बी फर्स्ट 6 4 7 8, देन ए इट इज 3 2 4 5. In this part we have to multiply matrix A with matrix B. Okay, 6 into 3 plus 4 into 4, 6 into 2 plus 4 into 5, 7 into 3 plus 8 into 4, 7 into 2 plus 8 into 5. By solving we get 18 plus 16, 12 plus 20, 21 plus 32, 14 plus 40. It will be equal to 34, 32, 53, 54. It is BA. Now from this question we can see that AB is equal to 32, 28, 59, 56 and BA is equal to 34, 32, 53, 54. Means here AB is not equal to BA. Okay. Let us take next question. Question number 5. For above equation, our question, we have to find 3A minus 2B. Yes. For question number 4, we have to find 3A minus 2B. Okay. 3A minus 2B will be 3 into matrix A. It is 3 2 4 5 minus 2 into matrix B 6 4 7 8. By multiplying 3 with matrix A, we will get 9 6 12 15 minus 12 8 14 16. It will be equal to minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1. This is our question number 5. Let us take another question. Question number 6. find x and y if 2x plus 3y is equal to 2340 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1 5. In this question we have to find the value of matrix x and matrix y. Let us solve this question. Here 2x plus 3y is equal to 2340 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1 5. Let us take this equation first and this is equation second. We have to solve these three equations for finding the value of matrices x and y. Okay, by multiplying equation 1 with 2 we get 4x plus 6y is equal to 4680. We are multiplying 2 with equation 1 because we want to equal the coefficients of matrix y. Okay, for this we have to multiply equation second by 3. By multiplying equation 2 by 3 we get 9x, this is equation third, 9x plus 6y is equal to 6 minus 6 minus 3 15. This is our equation 4. Now by solving equation third and fourth we can find the value of matrices x and y. By solving equation third and equation 4 we have what we have 4x plus 6y is equal to 4680 and this 9x plus 6y is equal to 6 minus 6 minus 3 15. We can subtract these two equations. We get minus 5x is equal to minus 2 12 11 minus 15. From here we can get the value of matrix x. Matrix x is equal to 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5 minus 11 by 5 and 3. Okay, now from equation first we have we have 2 into x, that is 2 by 5 minus 12 by 5 minus 11 by 5 3 plus 3y is equal to 2340. Then 3y will be equal to 2340 minus 4 by 5 minus 24 by 5 minus 22 by 5 and 6. 3y will be equal to 6 by 5 39 by 5 42 by 5 minus 6 and y will be equal to 2 by 5 13 by 5 14 by 5.